Welcome to GK at Tamosri. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? A. 113, B. 115, C. 118, D. 120. C. 118. The top 3 happiest countries in the World Happiness Report 2025 are Finland first, Denmark second, and Iceland third. India is ranked 118 out of 147 countries surveyed. This represents a slight improvement from its 126th position in 2024. Finland has been ranked as the happiest country for the 8th consecutive year. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? A. India, B. China, C. Pakistan, D. Burkina Faso. D. Burkina Faso is a landlocked country in Western Africa, and second ranked country is Pakistan, third ranked country is Syria. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index 2024? A. 96, B. 86, C. 76, D. 66. A. 96. In Transparency International 2024 Corruption Perception Index, India ranked 96th out of 180 countries. Denmark topped the CPI 2024 as the least corruption nation, followed by Finland and Singapore. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? A. second, B. first, C. fourth, D. third. C. fourth. United States became first country, followed by Russia, then China became third country. According to Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? A. India, B. Singapore, C. Japan, D. China. B. Singapore. According to Henley Passport Index 2025, Singapore has the most powerful passport, allowing visa-free access to 195 countries. India ranked 85th, dropping 5 spots from its previous position of 80 in 2024. Which country has emerged as the world's largest importer of arms according to the latest SIPRI report 2022-24? A. United States, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Ukraine, D. China. C. Ukraine. India is the second largest arms importer globally. What is India's rank in the world's Press Freedom Index in 2024? A. 100, B. 119, C. 159, D. 179. C. 159. The top country in 2024 World Press Freedom Index is Norway. Norway maintained its first place position with a score of 91.89, followed by Denmark second and Sweden third place. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2024? A. 105, B. 106, C. 107, D. 108. A. 105. Global Hunger Index, India ranked 105 out of 127 countries. Somalia is identified as the country with the highest hunger levels, indicating a very serious situation. What is India's rank in Global Gender Gap Index 2024? A. 125, B. 129, C. 135, D. 140. B. 129. Iceland constantly ranked first gender equality, marking its 15th consecutive year at the top. Other countries known for high gender equality including Finland, Norway, New Zealand, and Sweden. Which Indian state has topped in Fiscal Health Index 2025? A. Kerala, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Tamil Nadu. The Odisha leads the index, followed by Chhattisgarh, Goa, Jharkhand and Gujarat. Answer for lost video was India Gate is the national monument of India located in New Delhi. It serves as a memorial to Indian soldier who died in World War I and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. The video is available on iPod. Which is India's rank in the Economic Freedom Index 2024? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.